Hello, my darling Fumination. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. Darlings, we are having the meet and greet of all meets and greets. The most wonderful summer splash Fumination meet and greet on the 20th of July here in London, United Kingdom at the Novotel Hotel in Hammersmith. We are going to have goodie bags. I will be updating this event on a weekly basis just to include all of the brands that are going to be coming. We have special guests, my darlings. Oh my God. And the event is going to be from 1 to 6. And darlings, for the first time ever, you are going to have an exclusive to my brand. I am so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to be there. We are also going to have vendors. We have fashion. We have style. And for those of you that are coming from different countries, get in touch with Sabali Travel. They will book your flights for you. They will book your hotel rooms for you. They are the absolute best, and they booked for Fumination last year. We're going to take pictures together. We're going to have a fabulous lunch. We're going to have fabulous cake, fabulous drinks, music, dancing. There are going to be giveaways. There are going to be prizes to be won. There is so much going to be going on. It's really an extravaganza. It is the Fumination extravaganza, and all of the brands that I love for my skin, for my hair, Healthy Hair Studio, it's going to be there. The makeup, it's going to be there. All the sweets and all the treats. It's an extravaganza. It's going to be a day to remember. And yes, my darling, it's a family occasion, so the children can absolutely come. Absolutely come. We are going to have fabulous day, and it's going to be on a Sunday. On a Sunday, my darlings. So come along, come with the family, and be ready to be entertained. Get ready to be motivated. Get ready to be inspired with the special guests that we have. It is going to be like no other. And I did this especially for you, to show my gratitude for all that you have done for me all of these years. You're going to live for it. Tickets are below. Thank you very much for all of the volunteers. Over 500 of you. So please give me time and the team to respond. Thank you so very much indeed. So what am I wearing? I am wearing an old dress from Zara, of which I live and I love. And I said to myself, I specifically wore this dress because it is completely backless, my darlings. And I did it, why? Because I want to show you how I conceal my back fat. And darlings, this can be for plus size girls, XXX girls. It doesn't matter. You got back fat, I can take it away for you, baby. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I have been doing this trick for years, and I still do it, despite the fact that I have gotten fitter. I still have some back fat there. And I said to myself, you know what? I don't have the money for the liposuction. No. For me, you're going to try your best to work it off. But until then, you're going to wear your fun dresses. And I wanted to show you how. Because we've done so many pop culture episodes. I want to go back to the old Fumi, when we were doing all kinds of bra hacks, when we were doing makeup, skincare. Let me know in the comments if that's what you like, at least to mix it in. Now, you know I live and love for my fabulous push-up tape. Push-up tape is what? The best. The best. And that's what I have here, because they have different shades. Can you see? And this one matches my skin tone. So you will see the back fat on the before. And then when I get up right now, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to re-demonstrate everything again for you, so that you can see how you can get rid of back fat for your backless dresses instantly. Okay? So here we have it. Can you see right here all of this? I want to get rid of it. And so that is what we are going to do today. So my darlings, I am going to take this dress off. I'm going to wear a top and a skirt, make it very low, and then I'm going to show you how to get rid of the back fat. Darlings, are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? I think you're ready. All right, my darlings, I'll be back in a jiffy. Hello, my beautiful Fumination. So we are back, and I have changed because I want to demonstrate all of this for you. So as you can see, I have done one side, yes, and you just take your tape and you just put it. The trick of the matter is, and I'm going to show you on this side, is that you pull the back fat. So you see the back fat like so, you pull it forward and then you tape it in front. Okay, so I have 2 strips here. Okay, so what you do is that you take the strip, you open it, and fantastic, you take the back fat from the back, and this is the trick. This is the trick. You pull it forward. That is how you do it. You pull it so that it stretches the back fat from the back. That's the trick. Do you see? You pull it, and then you tape it in front. Tape it flat, because you are not showing anything in front. It's the backless back fat. Do you see what I'm saying? That's how you pull it. So then we take another one and you do it again. Okay. You take the tape, you make short strips enough, and then you go to the side again. Then you pull, and bring it in front. Pull it. Make sure it's flat, and that will give you a smooth finish to wear your backless dresses. I'm just trying to, when you overlap it in front of the other one, there you go, then you get that smooth finish, and that's it in a nutshell. Do you see how it looks? And then do you see from the back? There you go. And the lines have what? They have gone. And so you can wear your backless dresses. And that is it, my darlings. This is how I snatch my back fat. I literally pull it and bring it forward, and then you can wear your dresses and you have a tighter waist. Thank you, my darlings, for watching. Push-up tape, you can use my discount code Fumi, and darlings, I will see you with your beautiful bags out and about. Let me know in the comment section if you love it. But I have been doing this for years, and I live and I love it. All of my love.
My name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking.
value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible, even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing